Hi, my name is Sess, and I'm an interior designer based in Boston, and to give you a tour of my living room and dining room. So let's go. This is our attempt on minimalist living. Moving to this condo, the idea is to design something that is hotel inspired. And this is what I came up with initially: comfortable, cozy, yet stylish, elegant, and luxurious. Show you different iterations since we moved in. Welcome home. Welcome to a Parisian dream transformed. Join me as I unveil the stunning makeover of this condo, turning it from a simple space into an affordable, luxury Parisian modern design. This was once a drab, forgotten space, but with a little imagination and hard work, we transformed it into a stunning modern oasis. The previous owner's style was a little bit outdated, sorry, and the room lacked character. We decorated and started from scratch. The color palette highlights the use of neutral tones with pops of color like blacks and shades of brown, and it focuses on comfortable modern furniture with clean lines. Artwork that adds personality and interest. Emphasize the use of various tactile materials such as the plush rug and velvet pillows, and of course the boucle sofas. Scouring vintage or secondhand furniture and decor is a plus. This shows how vintage or secondhand furniture and decor helps in creating an affordable space, yet stylish. The thoughtful selection of materials and finishes creates a sophisticated and inviting space. And it also shows how DIY projects can save money, like my artwork on the walls. And that's one way of decorating on a budget. And the most recent change in the condo is this brand new dining table, which was just delivered today. You like it? It's from All Modern, and I got it on sale. It's bigger, it's wider, and it's black. The chairs are from Crate and Barrel Outlet, and the bench was a steal from Macy's Display. This living and dining makeover proves that even a small space can be transformed into a beautiful and functional area. Now in the kitchen, we only did just a little update. The white shaker cabinets provide a clean and classic backdrop for the darker elements in the room. The dark wood look flooring adds warmth and a touch of luxury. The main thing that we changed is the microwave that you see here. It's a new one that we got, and the backsplash that I did myself because they're peel and stick from Amazon. So check out my links below if you're interested. The stunning transformation of this builder-grade bathroom is a testament that a bland and generic space can be completely revitalized with a sophisticated and luxurious design, in this case, with Art Deco boutique hotel aesthetic. The dramatic swirling wallpaper in black, deep brown, and gold shades draws the eye and sets the tone for the room. It's a successful blend of modern design and classic elements. The round mirror with integrated LED lighting adds a touch of glamour and provides ample illumination. The black vanity with gold accents creates a sleek and elegant look. The gold-toned faucet or brass faucets and hardware complement the overall aesthetic and add a touch of luxury. And the addition of a plant, framed artwork, and decorative objects completes the space and adds personality. Overall, the bathroom makeover is a perfect example of how thoughtful design can transform a space into a truly stunning and inviting environment. The modern Art Deco style combined with the use of high quality materials, yet affordable, creates a luxurious and sophisticated atmosphere that is reminiscent of a boutique hotel. The primary bedroom's color palette highlights the use of calming neutral tones like whites, beiges, and creams, while the focus on plush upholstered furniture with clean lines adds to comfortable sleeping and a luxurious relaxation. A statement piece of artwork adds a touch of elegance. The use of luxurious textures such as the plush bedding and soft rug. This master bedroom makeover proves that even a small space can be transformed into a beautiful and relaxing sanctuary. 2 years ago, this was a typical condo, lacking the character and charm I envisioned. With careful planning and expert design, we transformed this space into a haven of Parisian elegance. This Parisian modern condo proves that luxury doesn't have to be expensive. With a little creativity and planning, you can create a beautiful and functional space that reflects your personal style. I hope you liked this updated condo reveal. After 2 years of living here, I can proudly say that it's just like Paris, just like living in a Parisian apartment in Boston. My name is Cess. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, share with your friends and family so we can be a big community of stylish designers. Remember, style is what you make or break. Love and light to all. Bye.